Okay, this is how you properly assemble a trantorque bushing. First thing, make sure your joint is clean inside. The shaft on an 05 Dutch Star goes through the gearbox. It's one piece all the way through the gearbox. This male piece here that slides in and out, that's slotted on the side, collapses in, tightens it. Here's the most important thing. Engage the wedges. There's 320-degree wedges, and that groove is cut in there because the nut actually pulls the wedges out, so you have to engage them like I'm doing right now. Engage them. Not very good at it, but oops, that one fell out. Anyway, I was good at it a while ago. Make sure everything is nice and clean, no oil. Put the lower one in, rotate it. Gravity can be your friend in this job. It can be. Know what you're doing. All right, there's two. All right. Rotating them around because they'll be tighter at the top, because there you go. All three are in. Now I slide it down on the bushing and engage it. Okay, now I got one thread. You can see it slides in and out. And it's all together. Let you see what it looks like. I can't see, but anyway, right? It's all together, one unit. That's key, that these wedges are engaged in this collar. That's how it pulls it back apart. Wish I would have known that about 15 hours ago. Then you slide this, you gotta lift up a little bit on the shaft. Now it's in there. And then you start tightening it. Anyway, I'm not going to make you watch that, but you can't see it. Maybe you can. That middle piece is coming out. You might be able to see it there. So the Newmar guy told me when you break this loose, you're going to get about 1/8 of a turn, like that, and then it's going to feel like it's getting tight. We'll keep some wrench pressure on it and whack on the OD here to try to loosen those wedges up. Whack on this shaft right here, this 1-inch shaft. Kind of whack away from here so you don't booger it up like I did. But because if you keep just bulling on that thing with your 1.5-inch wrench, you might break those ridges off of those 3 wedges. Don't do that. Then you're really in a pickle if you break those off. So whack on this thing while keeping gentle pressure, trying to loosen the nut. This is a right-hand thread. Anyway, there's another one of these also in the front. There are 2 trantorque bushings. This is a 1-inch diameter shaft. It's got a 3/4 inch keyed shaft in the back. Here, we might as well look at it right here for the cog wheel. 3/4 inch keyed shaft. This is a 1-inch shaft all the way through the slide out motor gearbox. And then there's another trantorque bushing in the front, so you can disassemble this thing. And of course, there's a second cog wheel and a keyed shaft orientated, same kind of configuration as that in the front. Have a wonderful day. I wish I wasn't so stupid. The problem I had was on this, this is a double nut here to stop the slide out when it goes in on that all threaded rod. On mine inboard, or on I guess all of them, there's a single tack welded nut. My single tack welded nut had the tack weld broke. The nut slid in, my slide out wasn't going all the way out, and a 5-minute adjustment would have fixed my whole problem. But I'm at least 15 hours into this problem, and it's almost over. Anyway, hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't be dumb like me. Don't make a 5-minute job into a 15-hour plus job. See ya. Have a great day.